This is a Harbor Freight generator. It was working fine, and suddenly while running it stopped running as if it had run out of gas. And after that we couldn't get it to start no matter what we did. We checked the spark plug, we checked the air filter, we checked the magneto, we checked the gap on the magneto, we checked conductivity on the spark plug wire to the magneto, we checked fuel, we cleaned the carburetor, we cleaned the air filter and changed the fuel, and still it wouldn't run. So if you have a Harbor Freight generator and you can't get it to run, one of the things you might want to check out is the oil level sensor, because if that the oil level sensor malfunctions, the generator won't start or it will run very poorly. Now here on this side of the generator, you'll notice there's several wires here. While trying to diagnose what the problem was, we checked for the switch and the connectivity to the switch. We checked these connectors, and we noticed that when disconnecting this wire here with the tape onto this connection over here, which is coming from a small device that's bolted here on the side of the, you can see it there, small device coming out of the oil sensor, which is over here. Now notice the wire goes up to there and it comes into this connector. So by disconnecting this, the generator works properly. Now there is oil in this engine, but when these sensors malfunction, the engine won't run. You can run once you disconnect it, you can keep running the engine like that as long as you know there's oil in the system, and just leave it like that, and just being sure that there is in fact oil in the engine. Or you can replace the oil sensor. I've seen them on eBay for about $13 in case you want to go that route. But all you got to do, make sure you disconnect this and then just tape them off to the side so that they don't get in the way, and run your generator like that.